Hey guys, welcome to a video of Subway Surfers. Now I've already played this before, I've already got like a good high score going. So I'm gonna be playing with you guys instead. I also have a new series, you guys might want to check that out. I'm also gonna put new pictures and stuff like that. But if you guys, and I'm also gonna do an Angry Bird run or whatever, it's a race car thing. It's just like Mario Kart, it could be with Angry Birds. So yeah. Hopefully I can do this video though. So the goal of this game is basically, like, if you guys know that I'm actually spent all my coins. So check out this restart. No thank you. I do not want to Facebook this. Me. High school. Now I want to see the top one. No, where's in gold or diamond? Some people hack this game though. If you guys hack this game, I know that I just said that, but it's true. People that hack actually don't get anything. I do not hack, and I'm like really, really good at this. So if you don't hack, the better you are at this. I love doing this. Take a head start. So scared. Yeah, so basically you run away from a cop. Except I don't get this game. Yeah, you guys, the goal of this game is to get basketballs and stuff like that. But I'm gonna be making this a chunk. Oh, do you guys want to hear the chunk? My chunk is to never hack this game, okay? Get 200 coins in this round. Get 200 game coins, except if I lose, I will sing. Not sing, I mean, like, but, yeah, I'll sing. So, hopefully I don't lose. Yeah. It's hard for me, though, for this game, because this game is extremely hard. If you guys don't know how hard this game is, you guys should play. It's called Subway Surfers. Yeah. So, yeah. Sweet, 2x. It basically like boosts up your coins how much you got this round. You can, Jason. Jingle bell, jingle, jingle, where's God? Yeah. Okay. Who knows what I can be doing here? There. Okay. So, oh, I only have that much. So we are going to go home. We're going to go to the shop. Me. Go to me. Board awards. Get. Ooh, I get 3 keys. Nice. Trophy hunter. Master of the keys. Character. No, I would not like to buy that. Hoverboard. These are some sick ones. So cool. I love these. Wait. Gift? Sweet. I'm buying it. You own. Hopefully I'll fast it. I'm legitimately loving this. Let's go to the skyboard. Let's buy stuff. I don't know where. How can I do that? I'll be right back. Never mind. I'll be right back. I feel like I shouldn't be singing, but yeah. I lost the policeman. Yeah. With amazing. Yeah, okay. Now the reason you guys might be asking why don't I, if I do go up in the sky and you see me not collect the power up, it's on purpose. Well, there's one, if I actually try to, it's not on purpose, but there's one I really don't like. So there's a power up that I like and I don't like. So if I get that power, I'll be so upset. It basically messes up my jumping. I hate it. You have to like jump. I think that jump automatic. I'm just really bad at that power up. So I usually never grab it. See that power? That one. Not good. Yeah. Do I get 200 this round? Nope, not yet. Give me to like 2 more coins. It'll be so sad if I got it now. Seriously, they just have to open up my mouth. See that? Prizes and oh, I got a head start. That is actually hard to get. Now, trust me, that is really hard to get. The head start. I love the head start. This is so good. Okay, now guys, tell me guys, if I can even do this, tell me if you guys really want me to put Subway Surfers. Now, I'll give you guys a hint. Try to stay on one side, just try to stay on one side and collect all the coins from there, like I'm doing right now. If you really want to move, you can do it, but I would suggest go on. Unless if there's like a... Oh my gosh, I collected the bad one. So bad, that's good. Got past it. Oop, take that. Yay! I hate those shoes. They make me jump higher. What did I do? So mad right now. Like, you don't even know how mad I am. I think I also beat my high score though with these, so I'm happy that I beat my high score. But that's probably about it. Yay, I got a key. Now let me see what score I'm at. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so good. Now, that proves that I don't treat that specifically proves. Because it's actually very mission accomplished. Get 2,500 coins. Mission set complete. Okay, if you guys can help me on this, can you guys please help me? So there's this problem with this game. Give me. I addicted so fast. If you guys don't know, if addiction is bad, if you love this game, you just keep playing this. That's a problem. That's my problem. Anyway, guys, please subscribe, get other people to subscribe, and write your guys' comments down below. I need you guys to write comments so I can add you to the Find Game My Own World. It's with a village. Does you want a village? Yeah. So see me go to end it. Now, if you guys want my advice, so you can do what you have to say that. And then you guys, it's actually very hard to beat high scores. And my advice is, okay, I'm just gonna grab those. You guys want to grab these? I just got those just because I have no idea how to use it. And I need to look at it. Like, actually, if I need the jump shoes for a situation. I said that. Oh my gosh. And you guys might get bored of this. Oh, I forgot to say. I am so cute. I am so cute. Hi, Jack. Here's another one. Who is not too cute to be there? 'Cause all you do. How's that? Better? Good. No, I'm just gonna grab that because I wanted the basketball. Did I get it? Nope. So mad. You guys want me to tell you guys something? It says it's really hard to do this game. If you guys don't know how hard it is, then you guys should know about it. It's actually hard for people who cheat. If you guys cheat, like saying about this. Just saying, you guys should never cheat. Cheating is really bad. Who wants to cheat anyways? It actually even be a question, why would you want to cheat? If you guys play Subway Surfers, please. Now, like I said, I'm going to give my strategy, I'm just going to skip. Well, that's a terrible strategy. Move around. And that will probably be the end of this episode, so see you guys all next time. Bye.